next set of moves is the twisties. So back and front from one leg to the other, walking twist to the front, walking twist to the back, going from side to side, and your hips are like a washing machine. Back and forth, back and forth. So let's just try a basic twist. That's it, so just front to back. Now as much as you can, try and keep your upper body, it's still going to move, but keep it as still as you possibly can. That's it. All right, let's start walking it to the front. So you're going to just take baby steps. 1, 2. So try and keep your feet flat on the ground and coming back. 2, 1, 2. Now I like to take a couple of twists as I'm walking. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2. So a couple of little twists with each step instead of just one twist. All right, so if we slow it down, 1, 2, and 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 take it back. 2, 1, 2. Let's try taking it to the side. So to the right, twist. Again, little baby steps. 1, 2, 1, 2, and back. 2, and back. 2, and back. 2. Now let's take it from one leg to the other. So we're going to step, lift, step, lift with the twist. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you're going to find that your knee and your foot are moving. As much as you can, keep the upper body still, but let it be a really relaxed and happy, twisty type of step. And back to the center just for your basic twists. So this is a move that you can just keep practicing while you're walking forward, walking back, walking to the side, and back to the other side, and from one leg to the other. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and back to the center twist. And relax, and that's the end of this lesson.